A young man with IDD and very short brown hair wearing a black button-down shirt. He's standing in front of a presentation board with the text Independence.
Hi, my name is Rick Newell, and I will be talking about independence with the IDD community on emergency preparedness. When you are living on your own and you don't have someone else living with you and an emergency occurs, you need to know what to do. Here are some things you can do that would help you stay independent. Have an emergency go kit packed before the situation arises. That includes things such as change of clothes, toiletry items, extra medications, snacks ready to go, an emergency contact list, portable battery charger, pet food,
A stuffed dog wearing a pet emergency go kit.
and supplies for your service animal or household pet if you have one. It is also very important to remain calm in the situation, and this is how you can do it. Take deep breaths. Trust that the medical personnel will be on its way shortly if they are able to get to you. Talk to a friend or a family member while you are waiting. Be in a safe place and have something that will comfort you while you are waiting, like a fidget
Stress ball and a stuffed
or
animal.
a stuffy. Make sure you follow these tips and participate in some of our activities, and you will be ready now.
5 half arrows of different colors arranged in a circle and pointing towards the center with the text Colorado Developmental Disabilities Council, University of Colorado's logo, gold and black CU, Center for Inclusive Design and Engineering.